What a powerful words by Shakil Rao. Just listen carefully. Sometimes life doesn't need a long speech. Sometimes one powerful sentence is enough to change your mindset. So remember these powerful words. Stay silent when people are angry. Not arguments need your answer. Sometimes silence is stronger than words. Stay silent when people don't value your words. Don't waste your energy trying to convince everyone. Let your actions speak for you. Control yourself when anger takes over. Anger can make you say things that you may regret later. Take a breath, stay calm, think before you speak. Yes, remember this. Mistakes are your best teacher. Don't be ashamed of your mistakes. Understand them, learn from them, and become a better. Don't be afraid of failure. Failure is doesn't mean your journey is over. It means you have another chance to learn and improve. Don't compare your life with other people. Someone may be ahead of you today, but your journey is different. Focus on your progress. Be consistent when nobody is watching. Real success is built when nobody is clapping for you. I will repeat again, this is a wonderful words. Real success is built when nobody is clapping for you. Keep working, keep improving, keep moving forward. Don't wait for motivation every day. Build disciplines. Motivation may come and go, but discipline keep you moving. Learn to say no. Learn to say no. You don't have to say to everything. Protect your time, your goal, and your peace. Don't explain yourself to everyone. People who understand you don't need long explanation. and people who don't understand you may not believe you anyway. Speak less and listen more. Sometimes listening can teach more than speaking. Respect people, but never lose yourself. I will repeat again. Respect people, but never lose your self respect. Be kind, be humble, know your worth. Don't let one bad day become a bad life. Everyone has a difficult day. Tomorrow is another opportunity to start again. When life becomes difficult, become stronger. Don't ask, why is this happening to me? Ask, what can I learn from this? Be patient. Not everything happens immediately. Some dreams need time and consistency. Stop worrying about what people think about you. People will talk when you succeed, and people will talk when you fail. So choose your own path. Don't chase attention, chase improvement. When you improve yourself, attention will come naturally. Keep your promises to yourself. If you decide to wake up early, do it. If you decide to learn. If you decide to work, please work. Self-discipline begins with keeping promises to yourself. Don't be quiet because progress is slow. Slow progress is still progress. One step every day can take you much further than you imagine. Choose your friends wisely. The people around you can influence your thinking, your habits, and your future. Protect your peace. You don't have to respond to every message, every opinion, or every negative person. Never stop believing in yourself. There will be days when nobody believes in you. That's when you have to believe in yourself even more. Please remember, learn every day, stay calm, Control your anger. Learn from your mistakes. Respect other. Protect your peace. Stay consistent and be patient. And never give up on your dreams. Your life can be changed when you are thinking change. Your future is not created in one day. It's created by the small decision you make every single day. So start today. Take small step. Learn one new things. Improve one habits. Forgive one mistakes. And move one step closer to your goal. Yes, absolutely. This is the powerful words by Shakil Rao. And always remember, believe in yourself, work in silence, stay consistent, and let your success make the noise. May Allah bless you and your family. Allah Nigeban.